Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share a recipe of the best meatballs ever. You can use these, in the freezer. You can put them in the freezer and use them whenever you need. You can also bake these if you prefer rather than, frying them. So here I am doubling the recipe, but in the description box below, it will just be for one portion. So I got some ground meat, some bread, Parmesan cheese, eggs, parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and water. So here I have the water and diced bread. We're going to let that soak for about 5 minutes. And as it's soaked here, now we're just going to give it a little mix and then throw in the rest of the ingredients in here. So I put in all the ingredients, which is the meat, the cheese, parsley, salt, garlic, eggs. And then you can use your hands. It's better if you have gloves, kitchen gloves, those disposable ones. Just work it out. Or here, I'm going to use a standing mixer because I do have a lot of meat here. And, why not let it do the job? You do not want to overmix this. As soon as it comes together, that's it. Don't overmix. So, this is where I'm going to put my gloves on. And on parchment paper, we're going to roll some balls. So wet your hands. That way it doesn't stick as much. And we're going to take about, 2 tablespoons. And let's fry them over medium heat with a little bit of oil. So we're going to, flip these and cook this for about 6 to 8 minutes each. Or you can check doneness. It needs to be 160 degrees Fahrenheit for it to be cooked through. Don't overcrowd the pan. Rather, you use 2 skillets if you want to speed up the process. You could also bake these, so put in the oven 400 degrees for about 20 minutes or until cooked through, and then broil for about 5 minutes.